In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to align text in Google Docs if you want your document to look cleaner, more organized, and easier to read. Adjusting text alignment is one of the simplest formatting tools you can use. Google Docs gives you a few different alignment options, and each one changes the way your text sits on the page. To get started, first select the text you want to align. You can click and drag over a word, a sentence, a paragraph, or even highlight the entire document if needed. This step matters because the alignment change will only apply to the text you've selected. If nothing is selected, Google Docs may apply the formatting wherever your cursor is currently placed, so it's always a good idea to double check before moving on. Once your text is selected, go to the toolbar at the top of Google Docs and click the Align button. This is where you'll find the main alignment controls. When you open it, you'll see several options to choose from depending on the layout you want. You can choose left alignment, which places the text along the left margin. This is the most common option and is typically the default in most documents. Center alignment places the text in the middle between the left and right margins, which is useful for titles or headings. Right alignment moves the text to the right margin and can be helpful in specific layouts or design choices. You also have justify, which spaces the text so that both the left and right edges line up evenly. This can give paragraphs a more formal, polished appearance. There's also another way to align text if you prefer using the menu instead of the toolbar. With your text selected, click Format at the top of the screen, then go to Align and Indent and choose Alignment. From there, select Left, Center, Right, or Justify. This method does the same thing, so you can use whichever option feels easier and more natural for you. As a quick tip, alignment can affect the overall tone and readability of your document, so it's worth choosing the style that matches your content. For example, left alignment is best for most body text, while centered text works better for short lines like titles. That's all you need to do to align text in Google Docs. Thanks for watching.